You can eat as much you can in the fat loss process, but what you eat, it matters.
Okay, so what do you eat? What should you eat?
So,
Parathas?
so,
Aloo parathas?
so the diet is the biggest content. So I can give you in a basic thing. If you just take a plate, you can divide into two. I mean, 50% of a plate must be vegetables for your minerals, okay, and vitamins. And another 25%, another 25%, right? The 25% of protein, complete protein. If you are vegetarian, you can take broccoli and peanuts, like that you can take. If you are non-veg, it's completely good. You can take fish, egg or chicken, meat, whatever you want. So red meat, it's really good. The another 25% only you have to take carbohydrates. It's really neat. Don't skip complete carbohydrates. We need energy too. You have to take carbohydrates too. So don't.
So aloo paratha can work sometimes.
Proteins, vitamins and minerals, and carbohydrates. A complete meal.
So the thing is, this intermittent fasting, which 16 hours fasting, it is very, it has become a fad right now. But frankly speaking, I have tried it.
Okay.
It somehow has not worked for me. My acidity got increased because of this huge gap.
Okay.
So could you suggest that, does it really work?
Yeah, intermittent fasted you can do, but weekly once or twice it's advisable. Even if some of people are doing it for every day also. Some people, as you said, already have acidity problem already. So that acidity will become ulcer problem will be there. So not only intermittent, there's the keto diet and many diets are there. People are introducing many kind of diets. It's everything. It comes from other countries. Okay, so it's maybe suit for them. Okay, so our food style and our climatical things, it's totally different.
Correct.
So eat at right time and eat right food. It's really good thing, because intermittent fasting, how long will you follow that? Maybe 1 month, 2 months. Will you follow for forever? It's not, right? So it's how it will works for us. We have to think about it. So eat at right time, morning 8 o'clock, before 8 o'clock, at before 1 o'clock, or before 7 o'clock, evening before 7 o'clock. If you eat, that will be good. If you eat before 7 o'clock, beginning it will be tough. Before you sleep 10 o'clock, 10:30, again you will get hunger. Okay, better you can
Middle
take
of the night, I feel hungry.
better you take cup of milk when you feel that hungry, like liquid foods you can take.
We try to binge. No?
Don't
We
eat.
go to the chips.
Don't grab chips or something, because again you start to put weight, So that time you just take a milk or take a banana or like any fruits. That would be advisable. So better. So how we are living, so live like that, So that will be more advisable for me. So maybe intermittent fast and keto diet, it's working for somebody else. If you ask me, it's my suggestion actually.
Don't. Do you want to reduce your weight or not?
I had food at 8 o'clock in the night. Okay, so 12 hours means 8 o'clock in the morning. Plus 4, that means I will have food at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Uttiri! Itna bada gap! I'm feeling hungry right from now itself. Yeah, I can't do this all this. No boss, I can't do this. Don't just follow the diet fads blindly, because you understand your body better. So, eat right at the right time to mindfully reduce weight.
If you have any queries related to weight loss, please put it in the comment box. We will help you get the answers. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, take care, stay safe and stay healthy.